Hello everyone, my name is Ruchita and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, if you are someone who loves definition, well-defined curls and whose curls are not curling up as much they used to do, they have lost its pattern, or you are a CG beginner, this will really help you get the curls started. It will literally train your hair to curl more properly and beautifully with more definition. And if you wish to have these results, keep watching video till the end. Now take one section of your hair and make sure that it is properly wet. Detangle with a wide tooth comb to make sure there is no frizz. Today I am going to apply Arata hair cream. Now this cream really helps me with the curls. Only going to take this much. That's it.
Rake in some cream properly and spray some water if needed.
I also like to apply some gel after this, half the amount that you would usually use, because it really gives me that hold.
Here I am using a teeny tiny amount of Arata hair gel.
Only this much for both the sides. Make sure the product that you use has enough slip so that you do not pull your hair, because if there's no slip, there are high chances of pulling your hair. Now twist it around like this. Here I'm taking only about this much of my hair. Now this is already there, and you can also take about 1 inch of your hair and do it like this. The bigger coils will give you bigger clumps, but they will stick to each other and it will be difficult to open them up. Now I know my hair goes like this on this side and like this on this side, so I'm gonna do that. And you make sure that wherever your hair is going, twist it on that side. I really love doing this. If my hair is not curling up properly for many wash days, I will do this, and I know that this won't disappoint me. It is a bit time consuming, but it takes me about 30 minutes, 15 minutes for this side, 15 minutes for that side. It's worth it. Do give this method a try. Look at that curl. It's really curling up good. I don't really measure my hair, I just go with the flow. Some parts I take bigger ones, some parts I take smaller ones. That's how you will get different curls and not same sized curls. If you feel bumps over your hair like frizz or anything, just go with a brush and smooth it down. Then go ahead, because you don't really want frizz on your hair while doing this, because you want high definition. Now this side is over. I'm just gonna go ahead and scrunch it properly. अपनी पूरी जी जान लगा दो इसमें. Ooh, cool. So make sure your hair is wet. My hair gets dry pretty quickly, so I'm just gonna go ahead and re-wet it if that's what. So twist it like this and move outside slowly. Do it a few more times if you want. scrunch up. And then apply some more little bit of gel, only this much on the ends. Scrunch properly to ensure you have good definition, and that's it. Now we will not touch it until it is very dry. Still applying. Now we will apply the same products. My hair is pretty wet right now. Don't forget at the back. Go in this way direction. By going in this way direction, you ensure that you have good volume on the top. At the ends. This is my hair after 3 hours of air drying, and you can see the definition. Now there is some gel cast here, but I do not like to break it since it is possible that I'm going somewhere else tomorrow and not today. I just let it be. But if you really want to go out like this, you can definitely scrunch up the gel cast a bit very softly with your hands or any oil or serum that you have to break the gel cast. I really love the gel cast I get. Just break it very softly. You do not want to cause frizz. So, and for the volume at the top, you can shake up the roots, like put your fingers, wait a minute, I'll do it again. So put your fingers and shake it a bit. Shake, 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 shake. I really love finger coiling because of this reason. I get lots and lots of definition, and my hair can go so many days without a refresh after this method. I'm sure you're gonna love this method. If you want more curls, you can definitely go ahead and separate them very carefully. Make sure that they do not cause any frizz. So do it very softly. Now. Don't think I do this every day. I don't. No one does. But you can do it whenever you feel like, whenever you have some time, or whenever you feel like your hair is not curling up that good that it used to do. Like me, sometimes I get bored with the regular results, so I just do this and get well-defined curls, and I really love these results. It definitely takes some time to learn this method, but please give it a try, practice it, and I am sure you will love it, because I did. The first time I tried it, it did not work for me because I did not have any styling product, no gel, nothing. I tried it then also. If you tried, please let me know on my Instagram. My handle is curl_obsessed. You can follow me on Instagram, and show me your results with finger coiling. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next one.